everybody, it's Michelle. Welcome back to part 2 of my Halloween special. As you guys can see, I still have my spooky set going on. Is it equally as
spooky as last time?
I hope so. As you guys can see, today's costume is a Little League baseball player. Again, not just because I found these things in my house already. Ooh, my hat's falling off. No, but for real, I actually found this tiny little baseball bat in my little brother's room. I think it's from when he was a kid, and I don't really know why we have this. I think it's maybe like a collectible or something, but I always kind of just imagined using it to ward off home intruders or something. But yeah, today I'm gonna use it because I'm a Little League baseball player, and this is part 2 of my Halloween special. So this video is actually just a little bit of a bonus video. Originally it was only gonna be 2 parts, but my Halloween costume for part 2.
Cute.
I'm a baseball player. Thank you.
Okay.
Can you guys hear that? My mom is sneezing upstairs. This is actually a bonus video. Originally, my Halloween special was only going to be 2 parts, but I actually hung out with my friends the other day and we carved pumpkins and it was really fun. So I decided, I'm sure you guys heard in the last video, that I was going to include it as part 2 of my Halloween special. So it's really funny. This video was just for fun, but I really hope that you guys enjoy it. We had a lot of fun with it, and without further ado, you'll see my friend Allie and my friend Sarah and I carving pumpkins. So check it out.
Sweet dreams are made of these. It's like testing the.
We're going.
Ha! Oh my god.
Do we need tape or toothpicks? Like, how do
Well,
we...
you gotta gut it first.
To get you tape.
Okay, fantastic.
I feel like my wires right now.
No, you just gut it.
I'm just gonna...
You gut it.
I absolutely hate that. Oh my god. Oh my...
I feel like Michael.
Oh.
Guys, I have gotten 1 slice.
What if there's like an animal?
Why would there be an animal in your pumpkin?
I thought it was much farther than I am.
I'm almost done.
Are you serious? You're almost done?
Well, she's a.
Maybe.
Like
Are there
like
thicker? Are they?
It's like my pumpkin thick with 1 C and is hers thick with 4 C's? Is that what you're about to ask?
What did you say?
4 C's?
Have you never heard that before?
No.
What did you say?
No way. You guys haven't heard someone say, oh, that's thick with 3 C's, or like thick with 4
Oh, like THICCC?
C's? Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And if it's really thick, it's thick with a Q. Thick with a Q. I'm glad you like that.
Ooh. No, but see what I mean? Like sometimes, like maybe hers is thinner, and like the rind.
Yes, that's what I was saying. Like,
Okay, but you made it into a joke, and I was actually asking questions.
I got on that side a little bit. Oh, can you shove your hand in it?
Of course.
Oh, good. Very good.
The pumpkin seeds.
I'm sure you can find something
That'd be fun.
somewhere. Because I have this big.
So wait, what part of the pumpkin is in puree? Like pumpkin puree? Is it like this part?
Yeah.
Like a pumpkin mask?
Here. Do you want the spoon?
Help.
Yes, queen.
She's crowning.
This is your bag for your guts. And then you just cut this so that when you put it back on, it's not like super gross.
I hate
Ooh, I love this.
touching this. I hate touching shoes. I love this. The noises of you guys like scraping away.
Did you just like cut that off?
Like, you told me I had
You
to
don't
get all
need every single seed.
Oh.
You should get every single seed.
No!
No seed goes to waste.
No!
This is like,
Well, I'm gonna say that.
Sure.
but like, I don't know what
cutting
to
it.
compare it. Okay, so I just shove my hands in here
Yes.
and just like,
Grab
You have
it.
to tell it first.
Ask for permission.
do I have permission to rip out your
Is this
guts?
okay?
Oh, I didn't open my, I forgot to open my bag.
Oh my god.
Just do it.
What are you gonna do now?
Open it? Okay.
Oh my god, ew, ew, ew.
You were literally getting your hands dirty for the next like 30 minutes, so
Okay, this hurts my hand.
Oh my god, Sarah, complain some more.
So it hurts my
I was
hand.
gonna say, can you complain some more, please?
It hurts my feelings.
Pumpkins smell like ass.
How does pumpkin smell like ass? What does your ass smell like, Mom?
Smells like
Pumpkins.
Really?
Does that mean I like to smell bass? Because I like to smell pumpkins.
Some asses, yes.
My dad is gonna be so proud. I'm gonna come home and he's gonna be like, wow, yes, bitch.
He's gonna call you bitch.
He's probably not gonna say that.
Oh my gosh, he's winking at you.
Stop. Pumpkin carving is a great way to take out anger. This is my pumpkin, and I made it. It took 2 hours and 15 minutes,
Wow.
and my hand hurts. Next.
This is my pumpkin. It's a little obvious what it is. I am a big fan of the Red Sox, and my boys are going to the World Series.
This is my pumpkin. I felt like it spoke personally to me. He's my inner spirit.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
He's a spirit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, overall, this went really well and better than expected. So thanks for going on this journey
10 out of
with me,
10.
guys.
Would do it again.
I made Hades. I didn't say that.
Okay, well, I really hope that you guys enjoyed that. As you can see, we are not exactly the best at carving pumpkins, but they actually came out pretty great. We were really happy with them. And as you can see, I'm really not a fan of carving pumpkins. I feel like every year I'm like,
Yes, carving pumpkins. Let's do that. I'm excited. That sounds great. It's not going to be gross at all.
and then we actually start carving the pumpkins, and I'm like,
This is disgusting. I hate everything about this. Why did I think this was a good idea? Please don't ever do this ever again.
and yet every year I find myself carving pumpkins again. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little bonus video. Stay tuned for part 3 of my Halloween special. That one is going to be another sneak peek I'll give you. It's going to be a video of me making a costume for my dog. I'm definitely not usually the kind of person to want to put my dog in a costume. He doesn't enjoy it, but I had this idea and I couldn't not do it. So you guys will see. I don't want to tell you what it is. You have to watch the video to find out. But I think it's really cute and you guys are going to like it. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. So stay tuned for part 3 if you're interested, and thank you so much for watching part 2. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content and like my video if you liked it, and that's about it for this one. So I will see you guys next time, hopefully, if you decide to come back.
Please come back.
I hope you guys are all having a spooky October so far, and I will see you guys next time.